Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to get information about the soil anywhere in the United States. This soil information or data, it's just like not very deep, it's just a shallow soil. So it ranges from 0 to 80 inches below the ground surface. So it's still very useful and we can use it in different area. So this actually database cover 95% of the country, and in the near future it will cover 100%. So you can get a lot of soil information anywhere in the United States. So how to get to this website? You go to Google and just write down USDA Web Soil Survey, and then choose the first option, and this is our website. To use this website, just click on Start, and then go to area of interest. Let's clear, this is from previous search, so I'm just gonna clear it. Clear interest of area of interest, so I just clean it. So when you go there, actually you will see the map like that. So you have two options. You can enter the location of interest using a specific address, like from here, or you can search by state and county, or you can choose your location from the map that you can see in the right side of the screen. So you have many options to choose actually your location. So in this case, I'm just gonna choose my location in from the map. So I'm just gonna choose random location in Salt Lake City in Utah State. So this is Salt Lake. I'm gonna zoom in more here in this area. And I'm gonna zoom in more maybe in this block here, and it's just random location. I'm just gonna choose random location. So I'm gonna zoom in more to here, and the area of interest or AOI, I choose this, and then I I draw a rectangle, and you can see now the websites like highlight this area of interest with the light, like this green dashed lines with this area here. And we can choose actually not rectangle, we can choose polygon, and we can choose any area that we are interested in. So you have many options. So once you are happy with the site, you can continue working here. So you can name the location. Let's say I'm gonna name it XYZ. Use soil survey area map unit symbol. Make sure this is active. And this is the date. Salt Lake data available. This is the kind of new data. So that's it for this tab. Once we are good, we define the area of interest and we are happy with this, we go to the next stage, which is uh, let's go first by step by step. Let's go to soil map. So we have two type of soil. We have BSA and HCB. HCB cover 60% of the interested area, and BSA cover 39. So what is that? Let's get deep in these details and see what's these symbols mean. So as you can see, they already have the definition of these symbols. This material correspond to silty clay loam 0 to 1% slopes, and HCB correspond to silty clay loam 1 to 3% slopes. So if we want a report, we can go to shopping cart and this is totally free. Uh, so we make sure we click on the area of interest XYZ. We select that, and then we go down. So this is the scale. This is good. Leave it as a default, and then this is the table of contents of the report. So keep this everything as a default. Then and then you can also. I'm gonna show you what is glossary mean. I'm gonna activate it. I'm gonna show you. So this is just give you a definition for all the symbols that were used uh, in this website or in this report. So click and check out once you are ready. So as you can see, it gives you two options: get now or download later. Choose get now and then click OK. So now it's loading the report. Takes few seconds, and that's it. You see here, Salt Lake area, Utah. This is the report name that we entered, and this is our area of interest here in this green line. If we scroll down, you will see the soil map. So as you can see in this site that we choose at the beginning, we have two type of soil. This is more than this one. HCB has more area than this one based on this site. So zoom in a little bit. So give you this is very cool, like map, a scaled map with the material in this area and the legend, of course. And then, as you can see here, HCB has more percent of area of interest, 60%. What is HSB? HCB? It's Harrisville, silty clay loam, 1 to 3% slopes. Okay, so let's get more information about this material. This is the first material, BSA. So what is BSA? The cross section until 80 inches. It's from 0 to 2, it's silty clay to loam. This is the same. At the end, 47 to 72 inch adjust clay. So the material range from silty clay loam to clay for this type of material. Okay, and if we go to the second material, CB, it is the typical profile. So basically the same, but from 39 to 60 inches below the ground surface, it's very fine sandy loam. So it was like from the surface, silty clay range from silty clay at the first 9 inches to very fine sandy loam. Okay, and that's it. You get very nice and neat report with the soil description at the 80, almost 80 inch or 70 inch below the ground surface. So it doesn't go too much deep, but still it has some helpful and useful information you can use. Okay, and let's go down. This is the reference where this information came from. So it's from ASHTO, HTM, and other references as you can see here. The glossary, remember in the video in the beginning, I activate this option. So this is just give you general information about uh, the terms that used in the reports. So as you can see, it's like many of terms relating to landform, geology, and geomorphology are defined in more details in the following National Soil Survey Handbook. So you can use this handbook or just like look here. Like for example, if we want to look at the loam, let's look this term. So here, this section, this explains the term loam, soil material that is 7 to 27% clay particles, 28 to 50% silt particles, and less than 52% sand particles. So this what loam means. If you find any terms that you don't understand, you can just go to this section and you can find explanation of this term. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.